Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush, vibrant jungle, lived a wise and gentle elephant named Ganesh. Ganesh was known far and wide for his sagacity and compassionate nature. Animals from all corners of the jungle sought his advice, and he was regarded as the unofficial leader of the animal kingdom. On the other side of the jungle, nestled amidst the dense foliage, there was a mischievous and cunning monkey named Miko. Miko was notorious for his pranks and mischief. He would swing from trees, steal fruits from unsuspecting animals, and play tricks that left others bewildered and frustrated. The jungle dwellers were wary of Miko's antics, but his nimbleness made it challenging to catch him in the act. One day, the news of Miko's mischief reached Ganesh's ears. The wise elephant decided it was time to address the issue and impart a valuable lesson to the troublesome monkey. Ganesh, with his slow and deliberate steps, made his way through the jungle, garnering the attention of all the animals. As Ganesh approached Miko's territory, the mischievous monkey noticed the wise elephant's arrival. Ignoring the warning looks from his fellow animals, Miko swung down from the trees and landed in front of Ganesh with an impish grin. "Greetings, Ganesh. What brings you to my humble abode?" Miko chortled, twirling a stolen vine in his tail. "Greetings, Miko. I've heard tales of your mischief spreading throughout the jungle. It's time we had a conversation about your actions," Ganesh spoke calmly but firmly. Miko scoffed, "Why bother? I'm just having some fun. What harm does it do?" Ganesh, with his vast wisdom, began to narrate a story of his own. He spoke of a time when the jungle faced a severe drought, and all the animals were suffering. The wise elephant, instead of hoarding water for himself, shared his findings with the other creatures, ensuring the survival of the entire jungle. As Ganesh concluded his story, he looked deeply into Miko's eyes and said, "True joy and fulfillment come from helping others, not causing them distress. The strength of our jungle lies in harmony, not discord." Miko, though initially dismissive, found himself reflecting on Ganesh's words as the wise elephant turned and ambled away. Days passed, and surprisingly, Miko's mischievous acts dwindled. Instead, he started assisting the other animals, sharing his agile skills to gather fruits and alerting them of potential dangers. The jungle inhabitants were astonished at the transformation in Miko's behavior. Ganesh's wisdom had touched the mischievous monkey's heart, and the jungle thrived in newfound unity. From that day forward, Miko became an integral part of the jungle community, using his agility and wit for the betterment of all. The wise elephant's lesson had not only reformed the mischievous monkey but also strengthened the bonds that held the jungle together. And so, the tale of Ganesh, the wise elephant, and Miko, the once mischievous monkey, became a legendary story passed down through generations, reminding all who heard it of the enduring power of wisdom, compassion, and transformation. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this captivating journey. We hope you enjoyed the adventure and the lessons it brought. Life is a series of stories, and you've just experienced a unique chapter. Take a moment to reflect on the characters, the twists, and the morals embedded within. As you step away, carry the essence of this tale with you: inspiration, wisdom, or simply a smile.